In this experiment, we want to investigate the effect of surface texture on the force required to pull this block. And if the force is high, which means the friction created is high. So what we are going to investigate is four surfaces. This one is wood, plastic, this is sandpaper, and this is rubber. So we'll start out with wood. Then what we are going to do is add on weights to pull mass, 20 gram mass, to pull the whole block over. The moment the block start moving, we'll consider it as the force created by the mass is strong enough to overcome the friction and make the block move. So let's add mass. The mass now is 20 gram because this whole thing is already 20 gram. So 20 gram, the block doesn't move. So we add in another 20 gram, now it's 40 gram. The block is still not moving. Then we add in another 20 gram. Up, the block start to move. So we say that the weight of this 20 gram mass is able to pull, is strong enough to pull, overcome the friction between the wood and the surface of this plank, right? In order to make sure that this experiment is reliable, we'll start all over again. So now 20 gram, 40 gram, 60 gram, yes, correct. 60 gram mass will create a weight which is strong enough to overcome the friction between wood and the plank. So now we change to plastic. Now the mass is 20 gram, 40 gram, 60 gram. So for the plastic, also 60 gram. Let's retry the experiment. 20 gram, 40 gram, 60 gram, yes. Now we change the surface to sandpaper. 20 gram, 40 gram, 60 gram, 80 gram, 100 gram. So 100 gram mass create a force which is strong enough to pull overcome the friction between the sandpaper and the plank. So now we redo this experiment. 20 gram, add in another 20 gram, 40 gram, add in another 20 gram, 60 gram, add in another 20 gram, 80 gram, add in another 20 gram, yes, 100. So for sandpaper is 100 gram. Then now we go to rubber. Now it's a rubber surface. This is the last surface that we are going to test. Again, 20 gram, 40 gram, 60 gram, 80 gram. It moves. So move back. For reliability, we'll do one more test to confirm that it is around 80 grams. So again, 20 gram, 40 gram, 60 gram, 80 gram.